Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is SRYZNA and today I'm going to show you how to make a hair oil which you can use as an oil massage treatment to get that strong, long and thick hair just by using 3 products in it, which is olive oil, castor oil and vitamin E capsule. The first product I'm using is olive oil, as olive oil moisturizes your hair and reduces scalp irritation, which further reduces dandruff. It also prevents hair fall and can fix the problem of split ends, as it is rich in multiple vitamins that help block the keratin in your hair. Olive oil is one of the best things you can use to make your hair grow stronger, longer and shinier. The second product I'm using is castor oil. As castor oil gains popularity in the natural beauty world, experts suggest that the use of castor oil can dramatically increase the rate of hair growth. It contains ricinoleic acid and omega-6 fatty acid, and therefore when massaged onto the scalp, it really helps in increasing the blood circulation, which improves hair growth. And the last product I'm using is vitamin E capsule, as vitamin E can stimulate capillary growth in your scalp, which in turn supports hair growth. It also prevents breakage, and the antioxidants present in vitamin E even boost hair's elasticity and shine. So to make this oil, I'm taking 2 spoons of olive oil, 1 spoon of castor oil and 1 capsule of vitamin E in a clean ceramic bowl. Mixing it well with the help of spoon. Now I'm going to wear my old t-shirt because oil may ruin your clothes, and also going to detangle my hair using big wooden hairbrush and big hair comb. After detangling my hair, I'm going to use my clean hand to massage the oil in my hair. After you finish your massage, make sure to detangle your hair once again using the brush. After applying this oil, keep it at least for 2 hours, or you can also leave it overnight. And wash your hair properly using mild shampoo and conditioner. So guys, this is the oil which I use every twice a week for my hair. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If so, please like the video and comment down below how your hair feels after using this oil. And please do subscribe my channel if you are new here. See you soon with brand new video. Till then, stay strong, stay safe. Bye.